Good day everyone, it's Friday and this is the last day of January. Many of us, Friday is our favorite day. Maybe because we have 2 hours vacant time. And of course, Friday means another episode of Mutya ng Section E. Every Friday morning, the first thing we do together with my classmate is clean or assign the areas. And by the way, we have a unit quiz in our practical research subject this morning. After our quiz, we went to the computer lab since Ma'am Crisa's office was there. And she checked our research title. We are going to interview my classmates, but before that, let's do wallpaper raid! So in this part, magtatagalog na ako dahil nakakapagod palang mag-English lalo na kapag voice over. So kita niyo naman, binuksan ko na yung pinto. Tapos ito, beses sila, 'di ba? Ako lang yung pa-vlog dito. Tapos ito, inuna ko si Charlotte. Dahil gusto kong tingnan kung ano yung mga wallpaper nila. O 'di ba, asawa ko. Isa to sa mga mang-aagaw eh. Paano naman kaya to si Jillian? Wala talaga akong pakialam kung busy siya. Eto naman, o 'di ba? Asawa ko pa din yung wallpaper niya. Paano naman kaya tong isa? Tingnan nga natin. O 'di ba? Asawa ko pa din, mga mang-aagaw talaga. And maybe this is the exciting part because we are currently watching ang mutya ng Section A. Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano sila kiligin, guys. Heto namang isa ay parang kakaiba kiligin.